Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good night to every one of you. This is Luz Roslyn teaching the mathematics subject. And our lessons for today is all about the multiplication of signed numbers and the division of signed numbers. I'll just talk this together, discuss together because they have the same role. Okay? Okay, these are the role of the multiplication of signed numbers. Positive times positive equals positive. That is the role. And then negative times negative equals positive. Positive times negative equals negative. Negative times positive equals negative. So, these are the example, okay? Positive 4 times positive 5 equals 20. So, remember that a number without a sign is understood to be a positive or a positive integer, you know. We're talking about the positive here and there is also a positive here. So, simply, in multiplication, simply multiplied the integers or the absolute numbers and look at the signs. Always look at the signs. So if you memorize this, like positive times positive equals positive, negative times negative equals negative. So if you multiply integers with the same sign, the answer is always positive. Positive times negative equals negative. Positive times positive equals positive. Negative times negative equals positive. Negative times positive equals negative. Positive times negative equals negative. Or, if you just bear in your mind, multiplying like signs is always positive. Multiplying unlike signs is always negative. Okay? So, here are the examples. 4 times 5 equals, positive 4 times positive 5 equals 20. Here, negative 6 times negative 5 equals 30. So, they are like signs, negative and negative. Okay? Positive 10 or simply 10 times negative 3 equals negative 30. They are, it has unlike signs. Negative 5 times positive 5 equals negative 25. It has unlike signs. Okay? It's very easy. So, these are the multiplication of signed numbers. Okay, I will show you the different format of the multiplication of signed numbers. Sometimes they write this way, and sometimes also they write the other way. Okay, so like for example, let's say like signs. 8, they write like this, times 8 equals, they have positive signs, like signs. So the answer is 64. And then let's say another like signs. Negative 7 times negative 6. So they are, it has like signs. So first you simply multiply the integers, which is 7 and 6. We call it integers, we call it numbers, we call it absolute numbers, you know. So 7 times 6 equals 42. And then look at the signs. Like signs, always positive. So the answer is positive, or just simply write 42 without signing it is considered positive. Okay, next. Unlike signs, let's say negative 7 times negative 4, positive 4. Sometimes they will write like that, and sometimes they will just put like this. Just simply 4. So 7 times 4 equals 42. 42. So the unlike signs is always negative. So the answer is negative 42. It is very easy. I hope you got it. Okay, did you understand, class? I hope so. It's very easy. Okay. So who wants more example? So we erase this so we will know. We will memorize the rule. Okay. Okay, who wants to answer? Okay, who wants to answer this on your seat? Okay, Annalyn. 7 times, see, 7 times 3. Okay, what's the answer, Annalyn? Yes, it's 21. So it has like signs. So the same signs always positive. Negative 2 times negative 8. Okay. What is the answer? 2 times 8 equals 16. Like signs, negative and negative. Negative times negative, that is positive. So, positive 16, or just simply write 16. Because the number without a sign, it's understood to be positive. There, yeah. Okay, another one. Let's say negative 5 times positive 4. Sometimes they will write like that. They trick you, you know. So the answer is 5 times 4, 20. And then you always, look to the signs. Negative, if it is unlike signs, is always negative. So the answer is negative 20. Another one. Okay, 6 times negative 3. The answer is 6 times 3, 18. And then, look at the sign. Positive, negative. It has unlike signs. So the answer is always negative. Negative. So the answer negative 18. This one is negative equals negative. Negative equals positive. Positive sign equals positive. It's very easy. Did you understand, class? I hope you understand. Okay, very good. Very good. Okay, guys, let's review one more. In multiplication, always positive if it has like signs. Like signs, positive. Positive, positive, positive. Negative times negative, positive. Negative times positive equals negative. Positive times negative equals negative. So in short, the same signs always positive. Unlike signs is always negative in multiplication. And now in division of signed numbers, it's the same rule. Okay? So positive, positive equals positive. Negative times negative, negative divided by negative equals positive. Negative divided by positive equals negative. Positive divided by negative equals negative. Okay? Okay, let's have an example in here, okay? 4 divided by negative 4 divided by negative 8. Okay. So the answer is positive 1/2, 1.5. Okay, this one, the numerator is, you have to take note, the numerator is lesser than the denominator. You can think, you always simplify, okay? Like simplify into 4. So, how many 4 in 8? There are 2. 2. 4, or you will divide it by into 4. 4 divided by 4 equals 1. 8 divided by 8, 8 divided by 2, 4 is 2. Or simplify. You can just even like this. By 4. Let's say 4, so that means 1 here. 8, how many 4s in 8? 2. So the answer is 1/2. 1/2. Okay? And the sign, look at the sign, they are like signs. Like signs is always positive. So the answer is 1/2 or positive 1/2. Okay, example number 2. Negative 50 divided by positive 150. Okay. Always we simplify this. Okay. Divided by 50. Okay. So, 50 simplify. There is 150. How many 50s in 150? You will divide it by 50. There are 3. So the answer is 1/3. And since they have unlike signs is always negative. Okay? So the answer is negative 1/3. They are unlike signs. Okay. Next example. Negative 6 divided by negative, what is this? 18. My 8 is not clear. Okay. So we will simplify. 6 by 1 is 1. 18 by 6 is 3. So we will divide it by into 6. So how many 6 in 18? There are 3. So 1/3 is the answer. Okay. So since they are, okay, negative 6 and negative 8, they are the same sign, always positive, you know. So they are like signs. They are not unlike. They are like signs. Okay, let's more example. Is everybody understood what I'm explaining? Did you understand? Okay, thank you. Very good. That means you listen very well. That's good. Okay. Another example for the division of signed numbers. Okay. The role of division of signed numbers and the role of multiplication are the same. That's why we will discuss this at the same time. Okay? So, this one here I'll give you more example. Okay, like 10. Sometimes they will write this way too. Okay? Positive 10 divided by negative 2. Okay? So, the answer is, okay, positive, negative. The answer is, if it is unlike signs, always negative. And then how many 2's in 10? There are 5. So, 10 divided by 2 equals 5. So, the answer is negative 5. Okay, so another one. 100, negative 100 divided by 25. Negative 25 equals, okay. How many 100? How many 25 in 100? So there are 4. Now look at the signs after you multiply this in two integers. So, negative, negative. Remember, like signs is always positive. So the answer is positive 4, or if sometimes the students will write positive 4, but that's correct. Or just simply don't write the plus sign because the number or a number without a sign is understood to be a positive. There is a positive sign in there, okay? Did you understand? I hope so. Okay, another example. Whoop. Another example. Very interesting lesson, okay? Sometimes they write this way too, like, you know, you have to negative 80 divided by 20. So, how many 20 in 80? So, there are 4. 4. Now, look at the sign. Negative, and then this one, there's no sign. So, understood to be, there is a positive sign in here. So, negative and positive. Remember, unlike signs is always negative. So, the answer is negative. Okay? Another one. 12 divided by negative 6 equals. Okay, here another example. How many 6 in 12? Or 12 divided by negative 6? So, the answer is 2. And always look at the sign after dividing the number. So, positive and then negative. The answer is always negative. Negative. So, the answer is negative 2. What's going on with my card here? Okay. Okay. Another example. Oh, 10 divided by 5, and then 35, negative 35 divided by negative 7 or 5 equals negative 49 divided by negative 7. Okay, let's answer this exercise. 10, positive 10 or 10 divided by positive 5 or 5. The answer is 2. That's correct. That's right. Next, negative 35 divided by negative 5 equals, what's the answer? Okay, is 7. Then, the same sign. Okay, 35 divided by 5 equals 7. Then look at the sign. The same sign, always positive. So the answer is 7. Okay? So next, negative 49 divided by negative 7. So, let's look at first the number 49 so you will not confuse, okay? 49 by 7 equals 7. Okay, now look at the sign after that. Negative, negative. So, the same sign. If it is the same sign, it's always positive. Yeah, it's all positive, our answers now. Okay, let's have more example. Very easy, right? It is. Okay, another example. Listen carefully so you will understand, and after that, you will get our lesson. You know, you get it perfectly. Okay? Okay. So, let's say 21 divided by negative 3. Next is 24, negative 24 divided by positive 6. Positive 36 divided by negative 6 equals. Okay. Let's look our example. Eyes on the board. Okay? Thank you. So, 21 or positive 21 divided by negative 3. First thing to do, multiply the number. I mean divide. 21 by 3 equals 7. Now, look at the sign. Positive, negative, unlike signs, is always negative. So, negative 7. Next, negative 24 divided by positive 6. What is the answer? So, we have to divide first the number, okay? 24 by 6 equals 4. Now, look at the sign. Negative, positive. Unlike signs or different signs, what is the answer? Always negative. Okay. Next, positive 36 or 36 divided by negative 6. Okay. Let's divide first the number. 36 by 6 equals 6. Now look at the sign. Positive, negative. It's always negative if it is unlike signs or if the signs are not the same. Unlike means different, you know. Okay. The answer is negative. Did you understand Very good. That's good. It's very easy if you memorize the rule. Okay? Positive divided by positive equals positive. Negative divided by negative equals negative. Negative divided by positive equals negative. Positive divided by negative equals negative. It's very easy, right? Okay, very good. You understand very well. I hope next meeting you will get a perfect score. Okay? Thank you so much. You guys are very smart. Thank you for listening very well. Okay. Okay. Is there any questions? What about you? No? Okay. How about here? Do you have any questions? Did you understand? Okay, very good. How about there? Yes. Very good. That's really cool. That's good. Do you understand? Thank you for listening. Okay? You all smart. Thank you. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for listening to our lesson. You know, dividing numbers with the same sign, dividing numbers with different sign, as well as multiplication, you know. Multiply the number or the integers with the same sign and different sign. And I'm glad everybody understood our lesson for today. And thank you so much for everything, for your effort of listening me. And we will see you next time, okay? Thank you. Guys, we're done our lesson for today. And guys, if you like our lessons, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. So next time you will updated every video that I uploaded. Okay? Thank you so much and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye to everybody. Thank you. Bye.